Hello children, myself Madhuri teacher, and today we are making man face and girl's frock. In last session we learned about boy and girl, and now we learn how to make man face and frock. For this we need 3 square size craft paper, 1 scissor, 1 black sketch pen, 1 pencil and glue. First we make how to make man face. Okay, so start with me. First take a 1 square size craft paper and turn the paper. Make a rectangle, then turn one more time and make a square. Then turn one side like this. Your man face is ready. Now take a black marker or sketch pen and draw the hair of boy. Then draw 2 eyes, 1 little nose and smiley lips. Your man face is ready. Now we learn how to make frock. For frock we need 2 square craft paper. First take 1 craft paper and make a lines by folding make a square, then open it. You look 4 lines, then fold the paper like this. Now turn the paper and fold one more time. Now turn the page and fold one more time. Now first turn the paper and open 2 sides like this and this. Okay. Now fold the paper from here. Now open this side like this. And fold it. You make a, this is, now fold from here and fold from here. You make a frock upside. Now take another craft paper and put it here and draw the downside of frock from the pencil. Now cut the craft paper. After cutting, you need this downside of frock. Now take a frock and open this upside, then join like this. Take a glue and stick the downside of frock. Now Row the buttons of frock. Now your frock is ready. Now you have to make this frock or man face. If you are a boy, you make this man face, and if you are a girl, you have to make this frock. अगर आप बॉय है तो आपको क्या बनाना है? मैन फेस. अगर आप गर्ल है तो आपको क्या बनाना है? फ्रॉक. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.